Let's learn English through short movie conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Romantic comedy movie.
Hi Connie, do you like watching romantic comedy movies?
Yes, I love rom-com. They are so funny and sweet.
Right, I like how they make me smile and feel happy.
Me too. The characters are always so sweet. I sometimes fall in love with a character.
Yes, and the funny parts make it even better. It's like a mix of love and jokes.
Exactly. I think romantic comedies are interesting because they always have a happy ending.
Yes, I love that. They always make me feel good after a long day.
I feel the same way. It's a good way to relax and forget about problems.
Totally. I think we should watch one tonight.
That sounds perfect. Let's pick a good one.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Romantic comedy. Also known as rom-com or rom-com, a movie that is funny and tells a love story. Sweet. Nice and kind, often used to describe something gentle or lovely. Happy ending. A conclusion to a story that makes the characters and the audience feel happy. Your listening question is: tell me 3 adjectives that Connie used to describe romantic comedy movies. Answer: funny, sweet, and interesting. Sci-Fi Movie.
Hey Luke, did you enjoy that sci-fi movie we watched last night?
Yeah, it was amazing. The special effects were so realistic.
I agree. I liked how they showed futuristic technology, like flying cars.
That was really cool. My favorite moment is the time travel.
I love it when they decided to go back in time to discover the truth.
That was indeed a great moment.
Personally, I loved the plot twists. I didn't expect the ending at all. It was so surprising.
Definitely, the actors did a fantastic job.
I think this is one of my favorite sci-fi movies now. What do you think?
I agree. It's definitely one of the best I've seen in a while.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Sci-fi. Short for science fiction, a genre of movies or books about futuristic technology or space. Special effects. Visual or sound effects used to create scenes in movies that cannot happen in real life. Futuristic. Relating to the future, especially with advanced technology. Your listening question is: what moment did Luke like the most? Answer: he liked the time travel moment. Romantic movies.
Hi, I'm looking for a romantic movie to watch. Can you recommend a few?
Sure, we have 3 great romantic films right now. One is about childhood sweethearts. The second one is about forbidden love due to family problems. The last one is about a long-distance relationship.
They all sound so good. Which one has a bad ending? I prefer to avoid those.
I'm afraid I can't spoil the endings for you. To be honest, I haven't even seen them yet, but I can say all three are quite emotional.
Oh, I see. Well, I guess I'll go with the Childhood Sweethearts one.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it. How many tickets would you like?
Just one, please.
That'll be $12. Would you like to get some popcorn to enjoy during the movie?
Yes, I'd love some. A small size, please.
Perfect. That'll be $3 extra for the popcorn. Here's your ticket. Enjoy the movie.
I hope it won't break my heart.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Childhood sweethearts. Two people who have been in love since they were children. Forbidden love. Love that is not allowed, often due to family or social reasons. Long-distance relationship. A relationship where the partners live far apart. Your listening question is: which romantic movie does the customer choose? Answer: she chooses the Childhood Sweethearts movie. Horror movie.
So, did you like the horror movie we watched last night?
Oh my gosh, it was so scary. I couldn't sleep after that.
I know, right? The part with the ghost in the mirror really freaked me out.
Yes, and the sound effects were terrifying. It felt like something was going to jump out at any moment.
I couldn't agree more. That scene where the girl walks down the dark hallway, I was holding my breath.
Yeah, and the end was so unexpected. I never saw that twist coming.
Definitely. But you know, I think the scariest part was when the lights went out in the cinema.
Oh, that was so creepy. I thought someone was playing a joke on us.
Haha! Yeah, by the way, Maya, I think someone is behind you.
Sophie, you scared me.
Gotcha! I just couldn't resist.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Horror. A film designed to scare viewers, often featuring ghosts and monsters. Freak out. To make someone feel very scared or shocked. Creepy. Making you feel uncomfortable or scared in a strange way. Your listening question is: what happened to the lights in the cinema while they were watching the horror movie? Answer: the lights went out, which scared them. Documentary.
Professor, do you remember the documentary on penguins we watched last week?
Yes, I do. The way the cameraman captured the penguin family was incredible. The close-up shots of the penguins protecting their eggs were so emotional.
I know, it was amazing to see how the parents take turns in freezing temperatures to keep their eggs warm.
Absolutely. The cinematography was brilliant, especially how they filmed the penguins walking across the ice. You could really feel the coldness and struggle.
Yes, and the narrator did a great job explaining the penguin's behavior. I learned so much about their family dynamics.
Yes, it really gave us a closer look at how animals survive in such extreme conditions. It made me appreciate nature even more.
Me too. I think I'll watch more nature documentaries now. They really open up a whole new world for you.
Actually, I have a few more documentaries that I could share with you if you're interested. They're about other animal families.
That sounds great. I'd love to watch more. Thank you so much, Professor.
You are welcome.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Documentary. A film or program that gives factual information, often about nature or animals. Cinematography. The art of filming, especially how scenes are shot to create atmosphere and emotion. Narrator. The person who tells the story or provides commentary in a documentary. Your listening question is: what animal is the documentary about? Answer. The documentary is about penguins. Cartoon movie.
Sweetheart, do you want to watch your favorite cartoon today?
Yes, please. I love my cartoon.
Which one do you want to watch today?
I like the one with the princess and the snow. She makes beautiful snowflakes.
I love that part too. The princess is so magical, isn't she?
Yes, she can do anything with her magic.
And what about the princess's older sister?
She's so funny, but she's also very brave. She can fight all of the bad guys.
Which princess do you like more, the older one or the younger one?
I like the older one.
Oh, why do you like her more?
She does not have magic, but she is very strong. She can protect her sister and her kingdom.
I see, she's brave and strong, isn't she?
Yes, she doesn't need magic to be great.
I love that. She's a great role model for you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Cartoon. A film or TV show made with animation, often for children. Magic. The power to make things happen that are impossible in real life. Role model. A person who is admired and looked up to by others. Your listening question is: which princess does the daughter like more? Answer. The daughter likes the older one because she is brave and doesn't need magic. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.